Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to make an opt-in email landing page funnel to create subscriptions for your website, or well, if you have WordPress, you can also put it right on your WordPress website through this plugin that we were making, or you can just use leadslide.com and publish there, even if you don't have a website. And this assumes that you've already subscribed for a free membership at leadslide.com. So if you don't, do that now. And if you have, carry on with the rest of the tutorial. And don't worry, I'll put links to the subscription anyway, how to sign up. But let's just get going. We'll start with create a funnel. And right now we are in beta at the moment, so we will be working with our users to make cool stuff right now. So it's a great time to sign up because it's free. And also, we're going to be working with the people that are registered right now. So we'll be adding features and plugins for those people. So anyway, let's go to, we'll try the first one here, which is the Discount Coffee Coupon Club pop-up landing page and whole funnel here. Okay, so now the whole template is loaded up now, and this is basically the landing page that once you edit it, you can put it on your website. So here we are. It has different elements. Let's see what we want to do. I'm not sure what the purpose of our landing page is yet, or email funnel. Maybe we'll do, since right now is a good time for holidays, we can do some sort of a discount for last minute Christmas. Let's see, last minute Christmas door crashers. Okay, and I don't like the way that's spaced, so let's just change it. Okay, so here we go. So I created this last minute Christmas door crasher sign up page, and I'm not really sure yet what the purpose is, and I don't know about that name. Maybe I can use this AI option to get some other help. So if you click up the blue button on the top right, you can do that, and I'll do that now. Let's just think of some idea. Okay, door crasher Christmas buy one get one free, I'll call it. And let's see if it comes up with maybe a different type of heading than I put. Okay, interesting. The Christmas buy one get one free bonanza. Get into the holiday spirit with our buy one get one free offer on selected items. So this created a whole, a title and a headline to help you write the landing page. And right now we'll just go with this. And I guess I don't want to edit too much. I just want to show you that you can edit everything. So the idea is this whole page you can edit either using the editor itself or AI, those suggestions, and then create the page. So we'll do that now. We'll go on to the next step, which is the pop-up. So when you click the sign up button, you're going to go to a pop-up that people can put their name or email in. So there's different options here. Maybe we'll remove the name. Maybe we just want the email, so I'll do that now. That's that option. Okay, so we'll go back here to the form settings, and right, so now we just have this, and we'll just call it Christmas deal. Okay, so of course you could edit it more, change the photos and everything too, but we're not going to do that for the purposes of this video. We're just going to move on and make sure that we can create the whole funnel and get it working, and then we can always go back and edit it afterwards anyway. Okay, so we're done the pop-up, And now we will go to the email. And this is just an example. Of course, we can edit it here. Here is the discount you've been waiting for. Okay. And let's just check this out. Okay, so Christmas code. Okay, whatever. I'm not, obviously this isn't a great email. Let's just see if it works though now and make sure we're done. So we made a landing page, and then we made a pop-up, and then we made an email, and we will save this campaign. Okay, so I didn't put a name on it, which I probably should have, obviously. Let's go to, oh, here we go. Here it is. It was actually on the first one, so that makes sense. December 3rd. And so this is the funnel, obviously. I'm going to edit it because I don't like that name. I'll call it Christmas Discount, which just so I remember which one I'm even doing. Christmas or buy one, get one. And I'll save that. Okay, so now it did save under that name. That makes more sense than what I saved it as. Okay, and now we can go to publish. So if you want to publish this to your website or leadslide.com, even if you don't have a website, if you have your own YouTube channel or TikTok account, Instagram, whatever, you might want to have a website with a landing page that you can offer your customers some sort of a subscription so you can get their email and then contact them later to build your following. So we will just assume we're going to we'll publish it. We'll publish the campaign just to our platform first on leadslide.com, but of course you could connect with WordPress if you wanted to. So there's two options at the moment. You can either connect to your WordPress website or LeadSlide. So we'll choose this option now because just for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll do another one when we connect this funnel to your WordPress website and embed it directly there. But this one, we'll just do the LeadSlide option. So we'll click there. We'll search for the campaign. It came up first. Christmas, buy one, get one free. Next, we'll call it Christmas, buy one, get one. And then we will click next. And then for the email, we'll call it Christmas Bonanza. And the subject will be shh. How about that? Don't share this discount with anyone. Is that a good title for an email? I'm not really sure. We'll see what happens. And now I'm going to publish it. And now I'm going to go and have a look at the actual funnel I just created. So we'll go to it on leadslide.com where it's published. And then so the funnel that we just created is here. So it showed up, and here's the funnel that we made. So here's our page. Obviously we didn't quite edit everything, but we get an idea. We'll try to sign up for the list. We'll put in our email. We'll say Addison. Well, maybe we'll do support at leadslide.com. And I'm just going to sign up. Okay, so it says success. Thank you for subscribing. So let's go to my email and then make sure that we actually subscribed and got the email from this. And then you can, of course, use this, send your users this link that you created, or you can embed it on your website. Okay, as you can see on the top of my list, the Christmas Bonanza did come in, so we'll click on that. And here is the email that we made, and it showed up. And as you know, we're still in beta at the moment, so you can test this and let us know what features you're hoping to get. And I'm the owner of this business along with another partner, and we are just going to keep testing it until we make an awesome funnel builder as well as ebook creator, which we also have on leadslide.com. So check it out. Let us know what you think. And you can contact us at leadslide.com on the contact form, or support at leadslide.com if you're having difficulties with anything. We'd love to work with you during this free beta period, and let us know.